Hello everybody, today's video I have two Tomica construction equipment. This is from quite a while ago. The Dynapack CC21, scale is 162. Okay, it's a road roller, quite heavy because 99% diecast. That is what we like. Okay, what is plastic is this small piece here, which is the base, the seats, and the steering wheel. The rest is diecast, and it can articulate. What I like is this metal roller, and it rolls to flatten the road surface. Then we have the Komatsu wheel excavator PW200, scale 1/122. Okay, it has this pincher. I don't know why they call it excavator. It's pinch things. Pity it doesn't move, but this thing moves, and it rotates and it moves. Quite small because they want it to be able to fit into the box, so the scale is 122. Komatsu is Japanese heavy equipment company. So, two construction equipment from Tomica. Very rare do they have construction equipment. Oh yeah, and then there is this crane that I bought from the Japan second-hand shop. The boom can be open, and then there's a hook, and it can rotate. Yeah, so far only 3 construction equipment. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.